Whoa, calm down, buddy. Calm down in the track pack. This is the launch mode, RPM setup. Your RPMs you can cycle all the way through. You can do drive mode setup, current mode, sport, and 160 on the dash. Of course, I did not mean that. The person behind me was like, wait, why did you... Gonna be taking this RT track pack for a spin today, guys. So I'm excited. It's a cold day out here in Texas. Yeah, look, we got the super track pack and the sport mode. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that. Guys, what are you doing today? What kind of car are you in? Get out of those Toyotas, those Hondas, and those SUVs and get in a sports car, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! What's going on, guys? AQ coaching here today, and I'm having to use my phone because my camera is not charged today, but we're still pumping out some content for you guys. I'm going to be test driving or taking this 2015 what is this, Dodge Challenger track pack for a spin, guys. So I'm super excited about that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this car started. Ooh, it has some pipes in it, guys. It has some pipes, I can hear it. So it has the sport mode and the super track pack, traction control. So what we're gonna do, oh, the fuel's low. They don't want me to go far. They don't want me to go far. We're gonna put sport mode on. They're probably just that. I don't care about the track pack for now. But look, it's performance. So it has the launch mode, RPM setup. Your RPMs you can cycle all the way through. You can do drive mode setup, current mode, sport, engine transmission is going to be sport, paddle shifting, you can do sport traction. So basically sport settings on everything. So we're going to go ahead and back up, and we're going to get up on the road with this track pack. It's a cold day today. I'll go ahead and open the sunroof so you guys can hear a little more road noise. Ooh, open up, sunroof, open. Yeah, so this one has the leather seats. It's fully decked out with everything. Whoa, calm down, buddy. Calm down in the track pack. Some point of view driving here right now. Got that turn signal on. Let's make sure that no cars are coming. All right. Flight. Hey guys, it is an adventure to be in one of these. To get to test drive one of these Dodge Challengers. So we're gonna pedal shifters right here. So you can downshift, upshift over here, 160 on the dash. Of course, it's low on fuel, but sport mode is on, and you got your ready reaction time thingy right there. So we'll go ahead and Chrysler 300 right here don't want no smoke, do they? They don't want no smoke out here on the road, but I'll smoke them. Guys, this car is insanely fast. Like, hey, I don't want to say it's faster than my Camaro, but guys, this, ooh, it's fast. It's very fast, guys. So, hey, I don't know. We gonna see. Do a burnout, Nate. They be saying. Woo! Braking distance is crazy too. As soon as you hit the brakes, it like stops. Like, that's crazy, guys. But hey, man, I've enjoyed this ride in the 2015 Dodge Challenger. I finally got to take it for a ride. So hey, who knows? In the future, I may get me a Challenger or something like that. I would never get a V6 one, but this will definitely be on my list of challenges to get. If I was to, ever switch to Dodge or get a Challenger, it'd be with this track pack. Unless you just go all out and get a Hellcat or Scat Pack or something like that. But this is, I think, the trim under the 392 Scat Pack. It is the track pack. So it's a very I did not mean that. The person behind me was like, wait, why did you do that? I really did not mean that, Tahoe driver. Oh man. Yeah, we just cruising around right now, just finishing up this drive, and we just gonna get up out of here. And I'll just show you guys, some footage of the outside of the car, how it looks, and hey, it's been fun. So y'all let me know in the comment section, what type of cars do y'all want me to drive? What type of cars would y'all like me to review? Because I'm gonna start doing different car reviews on the channel. So guys, y'all definitely let me know, because I'm excited, to do this. So y'all let me know in the comment section. Peace out, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.